so that everyone can see that I'm very unhappy. I wish I wasn't always wrong. I wish it wasn't always my fault. The finger that you're pointing has knocked me on my knees. And all you need to know is I'm so sorry. It's not like me. It's maturity that I'm lacking. So don't let me go. Just to let me know that growing up goes slow. I wonder what my mom and dad
Get back here, get back here. Young man.
It's hard enough to live so far away. I wish I wasn't always cold. I wish I wasn't always alone. When the party's over, how will I get home? And all you need to know is I'm so sorry. It's not like me. It's maturity that I'm.
I said, don't shoot him, Max, get back.
Leon Rosby relives the pain this evening, watching his dog's final moments before it was shot by Hawthorne police.
They took a member of my family. They took a member of my family.
Hawthorne police responded to an armed robbery yesterday on 137th Street, where an hour and 45-minute standoff ensued. Investigators say Rosby was interfering by blaring music from his car and walking within close proximity of armed officers. After putting his 2-year-old Rottweiler Max in the car, 2 officers approached Rosby and handcuffed him. Moments later, Max jumped from the car and came to his owner's aid.
I said, no, Max, no, stop. And then I came out and I said, please don't kill my dog. Please don't kill my dog. Just having convulsions. He's in pain. But he hollered out and tried to look back at me. He tried to look back at me to know, see if I was okay. I'm a grown man. I'm 52 years old. I never thought I would ever get attached to a dog like that, man.
Hawthorne police wouldn't talk on camera. They say they are truly sensitive to the loss of the dog, but officers feared that Max would bite them. There are many neighbors, including children, who witnessed the shooting.
I started screaming because, now I'm traumatized. I never saw someone get shot or get killed or see anything get killed like that. I'm, seriously, traumatized because I can't believe they did that.
It could have been me. Yeah. It could have been me laying in the street because they tried to say I was resisting. And my dog knew I wasn't. He died for me because he didn't want me to get killed.
And I'm here to tell you, we as an organization and as people, we feel for obviously the video and the impact of what it depicts. Dog owners ourselves, myself, Rottweiler, past owner, we hit those same emotion lines. But unfortunately, the power of some of the communication potential of the internet and social media has allowed really venomous and outright death threats and really vulgar depictions and sentiments being expressed that are absolutely criminal, they're absolutely improper, and they really go against the best interest for society.